Which slime is your favorite? So, first is this one. This is Aaron's putty. This one's called Fairy Sprinkles. Satisfying. Put that. So satisfying. I like the color. It has gold sprinkles in it. Tell me in the comments which one's your favorite. So, if you say pink in the comments, this one is your favorite. Next one is this one. It's like a cake slime. These little cake charms. ASMR. So in the comments, if you say cake, that means this one's your favorite. And I'm gonna put these fruit charms in. Okay. Next slime is these two slimes. So it's gonna be separate. Here's a galaxy slime. It's really nice. Here's some more. In the comments, if you say galaxy, that means this one's your favorite. Last is this one with the foam balls. ASMR. I'm not sure if that's ASMR or not. If you say foam ball in the comments, that means this one's your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.